I was thinking, what should I do for this area? You know? So, stick around and see what I'm gonna turn this area into. Whew. Well, that was crazy. All right. Garden boxes. Okay, garden boxes. I wanted to change it up a little bit. Took down the old cherry tree and added a Asian pear tree. And then I came in with some corrugated metal and some 2x4s, and I built some planter boxes. Got an actual garden going. This is a lot better use of area than what it was, and this is how I built them. All right. Time to build some garden boxes. I've always liked gardens, and we had a couple garden boxes in our last house. Don't have any here, so it's time to build them. Got some sheets of some correlated why would metal be correlated? Corrugated metal, sheet metal, and I'm going to build 4 boxes within each panel. Got some 2x4s, cut them, screw the metal into the wood, and then I'm going to line the bottom with filter fabric. And then I'm going to top it off with soil, and it's gonna take a lot of soil, and I wish I knew where soil was. Oh yeah, that's right, I have a giant pile back there. So that's kind of why I timed it this way. Got a giant pile of dirt back there. I'll fill them with the dirt, as well as use the soil to level the lawn. That'll be later. But right now is garden box time. Let's get it lawn. Okay, so I got watermelon, and it's funny because this one kind of fell through the crack. It's not gonna make it because I can't pull it back out, but I've got a couple big watermelons in there, trying to water those as much as possible, give them a couple vitamin nutrients. Broccoli, tomato, and jalapeno. This next spring, I'm gonna have a salsa garden, so onions, cilantro, jalapeno, tomatoes, all that kind of stuff. I did not get tomato cages, and now I can see why those are so important. I'm a beginner, guys. I'm just learning it as I go.
Seriously.
I just trying to learn.
As far as these go, it was super easy to build. They got it at Home Depot, corrugated metal like this. It's super strong. I went with 2x4s instead of treated 2x4s because that's what I had, and I'm kind of cheap.
There's nothing cheap about loyalty.
Next year, I might be changing these out for some treated. These are just, it's not a permanent thing. It's not gonna last for a long time. So I wanna make sure that it's stable and it doesn't break open and have soil break all over the place and have to redo them all anyways.
Better luck next year.
I really like the way they turned out, and they were super easy to do. It's been awesome with the kids. The kids have been coming out, grabbing all the tomatoes, eating all the tomato plants. We're gonna have a big watermelon by the end of the year, and broccoli, and we can make our own stuff. It's gonna be awesome. Still got some finished work to do. I think think bark. Bark looks nice, but I might do some nice river rock too along here. And then I got the sprinkler head raised up there. That helps with the garden boxes. I might upgrade it to a drip line eventually. And then I might even add some stools in for the kids to stand up on and help me garden. So that's it, you guys. Appreciate watching. I'm gonna dip into this garden a little bit more. Let me know in the comments if you do like it. Garden. I'm also doing my lawn care stuff too. That's kind of my big hobby, but gardening I'm getting into pretty good. So let me know if you like it. I'm gonna keep going with the gardening. Also, just so you guys know, I'm writing a book about the benefits of dried grapes. Yep, it's all about raising awareness. See you guys next time.